Money versus value creation, the real difference that shapes your future. That's what our topic is about today. Today, most people are trying to answer one question: how can I make more money? But very few people ask a different question: how can I create real value? Making money and creating value are not the same, and this difference is what shapes your future. What is making money? Making money is a result. It is the reward for something you do. But most people make money their main goal. They want it faster, easier, and more of it. And what happens? Short-term thinking. What is value creation? Creating value means solving problems. You improve someone's life, you fix something that matters, and as a result, money follows. This is a long-term game. Where is the difference? A person focused on money asks, how much can I earn from this? A person focused on value asks, how much can I help? These two questions create two completely different lives. Real-life example. Imagine two people. The first one looks for quick ways to make money every day. The second one studies one problem deeply and solves it. After a few years, the second person achieves real success. Why? Because they created value. Why do most people fail? Because money gives quick results. Value takes time. Human nature prefers fast rewards, but real success comes from patience. The law of the market. The market does not pay you for nothing. It pays you for the value you create. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the reward you receive. How to create value. Start by asking 3 simple questions. What problems do people have? How can I help solve them? How can I do it better? These questions will take you to another level. The turning point. Today, you have a choice: chase money or create value. This decision may seem small, but it can completely change your life. Conclusion. True success is not in money. It is in value. Money is the result. Value is the cause. Focus on the cause, and the result will follow. Hidden truth. Most people don't realize this. A person who chases money will always feel a sense of lack because they are attached to the result. But a person who creates value feels growth because they are focused on the process. And the most interesting part, money starts chasing the second person. Long-term legacy. Money disappears, but value remains. What you create impacts people's lives, and it continues even after you are gone. So the question is simple: are you just making money, or are you leaving a legacy?